Good morning, students. Welcome back. Okay, our class is 6th. Our show subject is social studies, and our lesson from gathering food, growing food, and earliest people. In the previous class, what we are discussed? In the previous class, we are discussed about the elderly man, how the elderly man growing the food, how they are developing. We are discussing in the previous class, and today we are discussing about the domestication means how the peoples mean mans and the peoples are animals, plants, how they will be settled, we have seen in the domestication. Suppose beta in the peoples or animals, plants, first only they will be settled means first animals they are grazing, daily they will be grazing, and the plants, when the plants are to be kept in a one place means next crops for growing also they are kept and they are settling in the domestications, and when the peoples and the animals are there will be kept in a one place, it is called as a domestication, means their own, okay, their own only they are kept in a plants, trees, it is called as a domestication. And in this domestication they are raising as a suppose they are growing the more crops better, they are growing the more crops for 1 year or 6 months, they are growing the crops for 1 year or 6 months, they are growing the crops. Where they are keeping these crops for they don't know where they are keeping, they are having any houses, huts, they are keeping any utilizers, they are not having, no, where they are getting, they are not setting in the one place, no, they are changing one place to another place, they are not having anything, that's why they are having to setting in a one place, okay, they are setting in a one place, that's why they are using a more things, the growing the main things, no, crops, pulses, vegetables, so these all are kept in a one place, that only settled life, that is settled, it is called as a settled life. In the settled life, what they are doing in the settled life means before they don't know how we are living, how we are growing the crops, they anything they don't know. Nowadays they are day by day they are developing. In the last it is the settled life. In the settled life what they are doing? In the settled life what they are doing means in the settled life just they are growing the fruit grains, no, pulses, vegetables, where they are storing, that only we are now entering. In that the settled life means these peoples, which peoples? Earliest people, these earliest people they are building the houses, houses like they are building means they not having the places, no, first they have taken the forest only, they settled in a one place, they are settled in a one place. In that place what they are they built a huts with what they are built with a bushes trees will be having, no, it's a long type bushes trees, with that stick only they are preparing their hut. The upside the which types of trees they are keeping, plum trees will be having, no, better plum trees, that plum trees upside they will be kept, upside the plum trees kept, and they prepare the houses and they have been settled in a one place, means they are settled in a one place. In that how they are using the utilizers, where they are keeping this food grains means they are preparing a pots, they are settled, no, they are preparing a pots. How they are prepared? Before they are painting, no, on the hills, on the rocks they are painting, no, with that only they are prepared a one pots and uses for a stove, utilizes storing the milk, food, like that types of pots they are prepared, they are prepared. And in this also hut and houses, how they are using with mud and stone. In the before, nowadays also some houses will be having with mud and stones, types of houses will be having, you can see beta in the before. In the moreover we can see in the villages houses, some houses will be having in the village nowadays, with mud only they will prepare the houses, and stones also they are prepared. The types of houses will be also having. And next they prepared the pots. Pots also how they are prepared means, they are preparing the pots. In that pots only they will be painting. In the pots they are having the pots, no beta, they are having the pots. In that pots only they are preparing the designing, means they are preparing the painting. In that only painting. Before the rocks and hills only they are painting, no, same as it is also in the pot only they are painting. They are painting in the pots, they are using for their cooking purpose. And next they are storing also, storage food grains. Food grains means spices beta, which is the spices. Suppose we are storing the paddy, rice, pulses, like that we are storing in a one jar or one a box. Same as also they are growing the crops. Which types of crops means like spices crops also they are growing. These spices also storing, no, the spices clovum, like different spices will be also some storage, no, these types of storage food also they are growing. And the next almost we are coming next. And next they are settled one place, they prepared their houses, and they prepare a utilizes stove, pots, milk storage, fruit grains, pulses, like they are prepared. And now they are growing the crops of land, growing the crops of the land. How they are growing the crops of land means, they are having the forest, no, in that forest they are remove the all grass, upmost soil, that all remove, and after that they are growing the land. In the Podu lesson beta, in the Podu, in the Penabakolu village, in the Podu, how they are plucking the seeds with a stick only, now they will be plucking. Same as it is also this earliest peoples also with a stick only they are plucking the seeds. With the seeds only they are plucking. In that only they will be plucking. In that plucking, the when the trees will be plants, there will be growing. And after that with the cutting, how they are cutting, that only they are prepared a stone tools. Stone tools means how they are prepared. Stone tools means they are preparing as a one a stone, like axe, you know axe, you can see, no, axe will be prepared. It is the stone, it will be having the very sharp, and they with the wooden stick with they will be tying with a thread, they will be preparing. And they are using the axe, it is called as a axe. With these axe what they are doing, with the axe only they are cutting the trees, harvesting the crops, like they are using these types of axes. And more only they are developed earliest people. After that only we are knowing about, after that we are knowing, yes, earliest people first they don't know, directly they are hunting and gathering, eating raw fresh animals. That much only we are know. The day by day they are developing how the growing the fruits, crops, how the we are drinking the water, which types of utilizers we are uses, that are all in the settled in a life. They are will be settled in a life. Which types of axes they are uses, see beta, this is the pots, which when they are used as the pots. And the next, this is the storage food grains. And the next, axes. Okay, this is the use as the axes. And these were as the stone with their uses is. And the next beta, they are having the earliest people, they are having the evidence. Evidence means these all are where we are getted. Where we are getted? From evidence we are getting. That is the Balu Skitten. The Balu Skitten in 10,000 years. 10,000 years ago. 10,000 years ago. 10,000 years ago. And there were in India, evidence means in India also having a one evidence in a Kashmir. There will be Kashmir around 5,000 years. 5,000 years ago. 5,000 years ago. And there will be Bihar. In the Bihar also they are having 4,000 and 5,000 years ago. 4,000, 5,000 years ago there will be having. These all are, see better, these all are is the Balu Skitten means these all are will be earliest people evidence means another countries will be there. Well, they are using the access, how they are growing the crops, so the details totally in there one some places will be having. Suppose they are drawing on the painting, no? Where they are painting on the rocks and hills, that also now it will be also having. And in the moreover we can see in the Telangana and other countries also we can moreover see the earliest people's evidence. And okay beta, and today we have completed our total lesson, the earliest people. Now you know about the earliest people, how they are will be developed, how they will be settled in their life. First onwards you have to read the lesson and keep the underlined words right in your book better. Okay, thank you.